Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious jelly lollipops. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You'll need unflavored gelatin, granulated sugar, light corn syrup, and your favorite flavorings and food coloring. Don't forget your lollipop molds and sticks, along with a saucepan and candy thermometer. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and enjoyable, ensuring a perfect batch of treats. Now, let's create the flavorful jelly base. In a sturdy saucepan, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar dissolves completely. Continue cooking without stirring until the temperature reaches exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit on your candy thermometer. This precise temperature is crucial for the perfect texture. With your jelly mixture at the perfect temperature, it's time to shape your lollipops. Carefully and quickly pour the warm liquid into your prepared silicone or metal lollipop molds. Work efficiently, as the mixture will begin to set as it cools. Immediately insert a lollipop stick into the center of each filled mold, ensuring it stands upright. Let them cool undisturbed at room temperature for at least 2 hours until completely firm. Congratulations! Your homemade jelly lollipops are almost ready to enjoy. Once they are completely firm and cool, gently pop each lollipop out of its mold. They should release easily. For best results and to maintain freshness, wrap each individual lollipop in small cellophane bags. Store your delightful creations in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Share them with friends or savor them yourself.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.